Hello dear students. In previous class we had studied about chemical classification of matter, in which we learned that matter can be divided into elements, compounds and mixtures. Okay, so today we are going to start our new topic, that is about chemical symbol. So the first question is, what is chemical symbol? Okay, so to better understand chemical symbol, let us think about that. People around us speak in different languages. Okay, some speak English, Hindi, Punjabi, Bengali, isn't it? Others speak Spanish, French, and so on. Okay, so from where this languages originated? Let's see. We all know that early men live in caves, and he used symbols as languages. Then after that, after some period of time, alphabets in different languages originated. Okay, then these alphabets combine and they form words, and these words combine and they make sentences. Okay, so like different languages, chemistry is a separate branch of science that have its own language, and this language is known as language of chemistry. The language of chemistry starts with chemical symbols. Okay, the language of chemistry starts with chemical symbols. So let's see in your book what is given. There are over 118 elements known to us. Writing their full names is time consuming and a tedious task. To save time, name of elements are written in short form. Okay, a chemical symbol represents the name of an element in an abbreviated form. For example, oxygen is represented by the symbol O. Okay, carbon is represented by C, iron is represented by the symbol Fe. Okay, Dalton created a set of pictorial symbols for the elements known till his name. Okay, first the symbols, pictorial symbols are created, but with increase in number. See, here it is given, this pictorial symbols first created, but with increase in number of elements, this method become tedious, as it was difficult to remember the symbols for all elements. Okay, it is very difficult to remember this type of symbols. Okay, so then after, Johannes Jacob Berzelius, a Swedish chemist, proposed a system of writing the chemical symbols of elements by using the alphabets from the name of the elements. This system has been adopted all over the world. This is the successful system. Okay, and it is easy to remember also. See, chemical symbol represents the name of an element in an abbreviated form. Okay, see, it is easy to remember. Okay, and it also saves lot of time. Now let's move to next topic, the rules that are followed while deciding the chemical symbols of various elements. Okay, so the first rule is, the symbol of an element is derived from the English name of the element, or in some cases from the Latin or Greek name of the element. Okay, for example, see, hydrogen, H. Okay, the first letter capital H is derived from its English name, while the symbol for potassium is K, and it is derived from its Latin name kalium. Okay, now next rule, the symbol of an element is usually the first letter of the name of the element. In case the name of more than one element starts with the same letter, the symbol is made up of first letter and the one other letter from the name of the element. Okay, see, it means see, now two elements, carbon and chromium, both are starting with C. Okay, so to differentiate them, okay, carbon, the symbol for carbon is considered as C, and the symbol for chromium is considered as C and small r. Okay, so it is separated, differentiated. Okay, now Next rule is the first letter of the symbol of an element is written in uppercase while the other letters are written in lowercase. So these are all the rules that are followed while deciding the chemical symbol. So dear students, chemical symbols of some common elements are given here and you have to remember this, okay? You have to learn this and remember this. See, hydrogen, symbol of hydrogen is capital H, okay, derived from its English name. Now next, carbon, the symbol is C, okay. Next, oxygen, symbol is O, capital O. Sodium, it is derived from Latin name natrum and its symbol is capital N, then A, small a. Then magnesium, M, G. Aluminium, Al. Sulfur, capital S. Chlorine, C, capital C and L, chlorine. Potassium, capital K. Calcium, Ca. Iron, Fe, okay. Copper, Cu. Zinc, Zn. Silver, Ag. Gold, Au. Mercury, Hg. So dear students, you have to learn it. In the next class I will ask about it. So learn it